In this video, you'll learn how to create study notes using Kimi AI. By following these steps, you will be able to generate effective notes for your studies quickly and efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once the Kimi AI homepage loads, look for the prompt section, which is typically prominently displayed. Here, you will find an area where you can input your request to the AI. Next, click on the prompt area to activate it. This will allow you to type your request. The cursor should appear in the designated input field, indicating that you can begin typing. Type the phrase "create study notes about English" into the prompt area. Be clear and specific with your request to ensure that the AI understands what you were. After entering your prompt, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will send your request to Kimi AI for processing. You should see a loading indicator or a similar visual cue that the AI is generating your study notes. At this point, you will need to wait briefly while Kimi AI processes your request. The time taken may vary depending on the complexity of the task and your internet speed. If you are dealing with a slower connection, be patient as the AI works. Once Kimi AI has finished generating your study notes, the results will appear on the screen. Review the content to ensure it meets your expectations. It covers the topics you need for your studies. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.